Hi guys, today Hussein is back with a session on creating a page flow. So basically, page flow is one which we can go forth and back. So let's create a page to query employees. We'll go from existing DeptEmpPage.jspx to the new one, query.jspx, and come back. And later on, we will create additional content and the search form into, query form into the query.jspx page for employees and result as well. And we will add transactions as well. So with the commit operation and rollback transaction operations. So let's start here with the new query.jspx page. First we will go to adfc-config page and we'll drag and drop the DeptEmpPage.jspx into it. Then we'll create a view, drag and drop it, and we will name it as query. Enter. And after that we will make a control flow case from department page to query. Drag and drop it here and take it here and name it as query. I think so. Let us just clarify. I think so. Let us make it query. Let us make it as a goQuery. Enter. And make another control flow case from query and back to department page and name it as back. Enter. Save all. Now the control flow cases has been made. Let us create this page. You see the exclamation mark here. So this says that this page is not there yet. So let us double click it. Okay. And select as page template as Oracle 3-column layout. Okay. And delete the start and end columns. So remaining will be center. Save it. Let's go to let's add a button. The action of this button should be back. We will resize this button later. Back. Save it. Let's go back to department page. Next we'll go to the departments and add a goQuery, query button, which will point to query.jspx page. Let's highlight the first button here, right click and insert before button first button. Highlight it, go to the property inspector, render default is true by default. The action would be goQuery. Save it, and we'll name the command button 1 doesn't look good, so we'll make it like a query. Rename it query as query. Save it. We'll run the page, DeptEmpPage, and we'll go back and forth to the query and back to DeptEmpPage. So let's run the page and see here. So we have got the department page, and we have the departments already here in this page in DeptEmpPage.jspx as we see. So query it. We should go forward now to the query.jspx page. Yes, it is, and we are seeing a big button right now. It looks funny, but it is not. So just click it. We are testing it right now to whether it goes back. Yes, it goes back. So let us play around a little bit here. Next, and we are in department 30 Alexander. So query, come back. So we see here still we have department 30 and Alexander Ku selected. So next we will continue with the query.jspx page in the design mode. So we will add a query in the before this back button. We will add a search implies query. So I will go to empty details, view object, go to operations, and we have named a query called query all queryable attributes. So these all attributes which are here are nine of them. About 9 of them can not the yearly salary, except that we can add everything else, all of them I mean. So drag and drop it. We'll make in the source code. Drag and drop it. ADF as a query as a ADF query panel. So it shows as a form where we can enter our query or criteria. There are various options, but we'll go with the ADF query panel. So it added here a group. We have a panel group layout, panel header, and the query is here. So let's see in design how it looks. Okay, so it looks like this now. We'll quickly run it, but it has no use right now. So we'll go back. Next, we will add the form on employee details view object. We'll go here to the source before back button I mean. So we have a panel group layout here. We have query, panel header. So we will add after panel header. We'll come here and add employee details as a form, as editable form. Select all of them, include navigation controls and the submit button. Okay, save it, and we'll see in the design how it looks. This is how it looks. So going back a little bit here, we will see we have all of these buttons, navigation buttons, and we have input text boxes to search. We have yearly salary, department name, job ID. So we have job ID as select once. It's because it's LOE. So that's where it is coming, and we have select items and so on with the footer containing the group of buttons in the panel group layout. So first, last, previous, last, and next. So, and submit button as well. So we will add a commit operation to it. So we'll go back to the design, and we are not able to see here. So let's back to the source, and before submit button, we'll add one commit operation here. So we go to the operations, drag and drop the commit operation. In fact, we will add a commit and rollback operations both. So we will go to the application module control here, and we go to operations, and we drag and drag the commit as ADF button, and we'll go to property inspector. We have commit, and that is already good. So after that, we'll add a rollback operation. Here as ADF button again, once again. So it's already rolled back here, and save it, and we'll run it next. So let's run the page and see how it looks. So here is a page, and we'll query. It shows the employees now. So we have the search form all the way from top to bottom. We have the search here, and the results will be shown here. With the navigation controls, we can navigate back and forth on the search results. This is the search form. So here we select sales manager, suppose, and search it. So here we go. We see employee number 45, John Russell, salary 14,001, and so on. And we have the job ID again as a sales manager because it's matching the search results. We can go back and forth. We can go to the last, we can go to the first, and so on. We can, let's say, we want to change John Russell's salary to some 14,200, and we want to commit it. So commit. It seems it has committed, but then how to confirm it? We will search by employee ID 145. We will go back and then come back. Okay, so we will now search by 145 and then search it. So here 14,200. Let us see 146. We have some Karen here, but let's make it 145. Search it. We see John Russell has salary got committed with 14,200. Let's make it 14,220, and we'll submit it. It says it is 14,220 right now. But we will go back and come 145. Search it. Yeah, it seems it is working with the submit button as well. The commit is the same here. So we will increase it and search it. We will decrease it and search it. Yeah, it seems it is committed. So we will, in the next, we will find out the difference between commit and submit. So it seems both of them are doing the same thing, but we will find out that one in the next session. For now, you can roll back as well. If you change to 23 here and roll back, so it gets rolled back. You see here, so it got rolled back. So if this employee is non-existing, right? Suppose let's search with 9 and search it. Nothing comes up here, just a blank fields. All right, thank you for watching my video for this session, and I'll see you next time with the continuation on this, and stay tuned with the subscription down below. Thank you. Bye for now.